Hi, Professor. This is Velma Nikita Revira, and this is my assignment. You asked me to do the three tasks, and this is one first task and double linked list. I initialize the double linked list, and I initialize the current state to the tail of the double linked list, and I set the tail of the double linked list to the current state of before performing an action. I created a list with initial values. Then I checked if the list is empty. I sort the list and update the current state and sort the list. And I check if the list is empty. I reverse the list and update the current state. Check if the list is empty, and I added a value to the into the list and update the current state. And updated the tail of the double linked list to the current state. I moved to the next state in the double linked list, and here you can see the application list after creating the list with initial values. And then I sorted the list, reverse the list, and I printed add to 9 to the end of the list, undo back to the before you reverse the list, add 9 to the end of the list again, undo back to the original state of the list, and redo back to the state after adding 9 to the end of the list. And this is my second task, stack, and here you can see the code. Here you can see the code. You asked me to check the words, whether the words are palindrome or not. I check those words, and I open the file and make a list all the words, and I check the words is a proper palindrome or not. I'm going to run this program. Yeah, here you can see the report. Morning is not a proper palindrome, level is a proper palindrome, medium is a proper palindrome, and first is not a proper palindrome, noon is a proper palindrome. And here you can see the report, and here you can see the report. This is the third task, a simple queue that only supports first in the first out operations can be insufficient to support a remote printing system. Some of this issue is approach here, lack of priority, and no way to cancel request, and no way to track progress, and no way to manage resources, and no way to manage user accounts. In conclusion, a simple queue that only supports FIFO questions is insufficient to support a remote printing system. To address these shortcomings, the queue must be integrated with other systems and tools to provide more robust, friendly printing experience. In lack of priority in a remote printing system, some print requests may be more important than others. A simple queue does not provide a mechanism to prioritize requests, so requests from high priority individuals may be stuck behind requests from low priority individuals. No way to cancel request. In a remote printing system, users may change their minds about the print request or make mistakes in their submissions. A simple queue does not provide a way to cancel request. Proceed before they can submit a correction or cancel the request. No way to track progress. In remote printing system, the users may want to know the status of their request, and they can expect their prints to be ready. Simple queue does not provide a way to track the progress of request. Users may need to wait and contact the printer operations, find out the status of the request. And no way manage resources. In a remote printing system, the printer may run out of paper, ink, or toner, or may experience other technical issues that prevent it from processing request. A simple queue does not provide a way to manage these resources. A request may be delayed or rejected even though the printer is available. No way to manage user accounts. In remote printing system, user may want to view their print history, manage their account, and track their expenses. A simple queue does not provide a way to manage user accounts. A user may need to rely on their other systems to manage this task. The queue structure also does not provide a way to prioritize print requests based on the type of job, size of the job, and the urgency of the request. This means the large and complex print jobs can take a long time to be processed, causing delays for the other users. In conclusion, a simple queue that only supports FIFO operations is insufficient to support a remote printing system. To address these shortcomings, the queue must be integrated with other systems and tools to provide a more robust and user-friendly printing experience. And this is my assignment, Professor. And thank you, Professor.